Joy.
And I'm Mark.
From the California Homestead fam. And today we're going to show you how easy it is to make your own laundry soap.
And all you need is a few ingredients.
As you know, we're a family of 7 and we do a lot of loads of laundry. And it gives us 10 gallons of laundry soap.
And it smells so good.
So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. 4 cups hot water, 1 Fels Naphtha soap bar, 1 cup Arm & Hammer super washing soda, half a cup of borax, 1 empty 5-gallon bucket, and 1 empty used laundry soap container.
First, you want to grind your Fels Naphtha soap bar. Now that it is grated, you put it into your pot. And then add your 4 cups of hot water. And then give it a stir.
Stir continually over medium to low heat until your soap dissolves. Now that our soap is dissolved, you will want to turn off your heat of your stove. Now take your empty 5-gallon bucket and put it in the sink, and you will want to fill it up halfway with hot water. Okay, my 5-gallon bucket is done filling up halfway. Now I'm going to carry it and put it back on the counter. Add in your dissolved soap into your warm water.
Then add your 1 cup of washing soda. And then your half a cup of borax.
Then you want to give it a stir. We just use our dad's barbecuing tongs because we don't have anything long enough. Take your bucket back to your sink and fill the rest of your bucket with warm water. Alright, my bucket is all done filling up. Now I'm going to stir it.
And take the lid and cover the bucket.
It doesn't have to be on tightly, it could just be placed on there. Now that our lid is on, you're going to want to let it sit until it thickens overnight. We like to keep ours in our laundry room, but you can keep it wherever you like. Now this is the tricky part, is getting it out of your sink. Okay. Good morning. it's the next day, and I'm gonna see if my soap has thickened. Just gonna take off my lid, and I'm gonna get my spoon and give it a little stir to see if it has thickened. Yep, it has thickened. So I am gonna pour it into my container, and I'm only gonna want to fill it up halfway. I have my funnel and my spoon, and I'm gonna start filling it up. Done filling it up halfway. Now I'm going to take it back to the sink to fill it up with more water. One last thing. When you do a large load of laundry, you will need a half a cup of your laundry soap.
And there you have it, folks, your own homemade laundry soap.
Now you can have loads of fun while you do your laundry. I'm Joy.
And I'm Mark.
And we're the California Homestead fam. You have a blessed day, and we'll see you in the next video.